Hey everyone, this is just a quick unboxing of sorts of the Tetra LED Half Moon tank here. This had just a bunch of plastic on it. I got this off Amazon. For some reason I thought this had a filter, but it does not. It's 1.1 gallons. It has LEDs, which I'll show you in a moment here. Movable LEDs. So you can move them to the top or the bottom. The same for betas. I would not put anything really in here. I was just going to use it for humidity in my room, but again, I thought I had filters. It does not have filters. So it's just a half moon tank. It is kind of cool looking. Those are the LEDs on the bottom there. You have instructions and whatnot. This is the LEDs, so you can stick it underneath, or we can stick it on top like that. Now this does require batteries, which it does, of course, does not come with. So it requires 3 AA batteries, which you need to buy extra. This tank was, I believe it was about 17 bucks or almost 20 bucks on Amazon. Again, I thought it, for some reason I thought this had a filter with it. It does not have any filter. It only has LEDs, and then it would be very plastic tank itself. So it does have a cutout here to feed your fish if you actually do put fish in here. Again, I would not recommend that, but y'all can do what you want. Yeah, so like I said, just a quick unboxing, quick look at the Tetra Half Moon LED tank here. Again, for about 20 bucks, it is what it is. Let me see if I have a little filter I can stick in here. I just want to get some water flowing and some humidity in my room. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.